Before you apply for support specialist jobs, here's what they don't tell you about the salary and stress. So you've been scrolling job boards at midnight, still in your pajamas, coffee going cold, thinking, there has to be a better way to make a living. And then you see it. Work from home support specialist. And suddenly, that cold coffee doesn't seem so bad. Let's break down everything you actually need to know before you hit that apply button. Because there's more to this role than just answering emails in your underwear. Not that there's anything wrong with that. What is a work-from-home support specialist? A support specialist is essentially the human glue between a company and its customers. You're the person who answers questions, solves problems, calms down frustrated users, and somehow makes people feel heard, all through a screen. Companies across tech, e-commerce, healthcare, and financial services are hiring these roles remotely. It's one of the fastest-growing remote job categories right now, and for good reason. What skills do you actually need? Here's the honest truth. You don't need a degree. What you do need is strong written and verbal communication, patience that could rival a Buddhist monk, basic computer proficiency, and the ability to multitask without having a meltdown. Familiarity with tools like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or Salesforce is a big bonus, but many companies will train you from scratch. Typing speed matters too. If you're still hunting and pecking with 2 fingers, now's the time to practice. Aim for at least 45 words per minute. What does a typical day look like? You log on. You've got a queue. There's a customer who's angry because their package arrived and it was the wrong color. There's someone who can't reset their password for the 14th time. There's a genuinely lovely person who just wants to say thank you. And honestly, those messages keep you going. You'll toggle between chat windows, email threads, and possibly phone calls depending on the role. Breaks are scheduled. Metrics are tracked, things like first response time, customer satisfaction scores, and resolution rates. Your performance is very visible, which means improvement is very achievable. What's the pay? Entry-level remote support roles typically start between $15 and $22 per hour. Senior specialists or those with technical backgrounds, think IT support or SaaS platforms, can command $25 to $40 per hour. Some roles also offer benefits, bonuses tied to satisfaction scores, and opportunities to move into team lead or quality assurance positions. The hidden challenge nobody warns you about, and here's where we need to have a real conversation. Working from home sounds dreamy until week 3, when you realize you've been sitting at the same kitchen table for 8 hours straight. Your back is screaming at you, your neck has transformed into something resembling a question mark, and you've forgotten what sunlight feels like. Ergonomics. It's the unsexy word that separates people who thrive in remote roles from people who quit because their body stages a full rebellion. This is where I have to mention something that genuinely changed my work-from-home experience: a lumbar support cushion. Specifically, the kind designed for prolonged desk sitting. I'm talking memory foam, adjustable straps, fits any chair, and honestly makes you feel like your spine is being cradled by a responsible adult. You can find highly rated ones on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Your lower back will write you a thank you note, metaphorically, unless things get really weird. Seriously though, invest in your workspace before you invest in a new headset. Your body is the equipment that runs everything else. How to stand out when you apply. Tailor your resume to highlight communication wins, even from non-support roles. Include any metrics that show your reliability or customer-facing success. Write a cover letter that sounds like a human wrote it. And if the company offers a skills assessment, treat it like it matters, because it absolutely does. Final thought. Work-from-home support specialist roles are genuinely accessible, well-paying, and scalable career paths. The barrier to entry is lower than you think. The opportunity ceiling is higher than most people realize. Get your setup right, sharpen your communication, support your spine, and go apply. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning,